What's up YouTube? Next video, it's been going very good, so progress is visible, pushing up further, currently pushing up again, so not at our local top, but it's been going pretty good. And we took 3 trades basically, 2 of them hit. I'm gonna show those 2, 1 of them didn't. Maybe gonna show this in the next video. But yeah, we had this very big drawdown here, but we came up all again and I didn't let those losses come to my head. I didn't revenge trade, and it's been going pretty good. Thanks for the support. I'm gonna go into the trades right now and I'm gonna keep on documenting the journey. Okay, nice. First trade, Euro USD, New York session again, and basically this time we used order block as a confirmation. So we saw that we had a very important order block right here. Basically, before I take a trade, I mark out all the important liquidity zones and order block zones. So we saw that price actually perfectly dipped into the order block. Of course, what I wanted to see was a push to the downside afterwards, but I wasn't able to find a trade here. It was just messing up, and as you can see, we already came up again, so it was good that I waited. So we came up again basically, and then I'm just gonna scale down to the 3-minute chart. We had our breakout structure zone right here, and eventually we also broke that structure. So broke that structure, and what I wanted to see, I had no fair value gap, but that wasn't a problem at all. We had a very good order block again, so price might retrace, and then I scaled down to the 1-minute chart, waited for price to dip basically, and when I witnessed the breakout structure right here, I entered in a short. I think I entered also a little bit late, but I think I entered all the way down here, took our stop loss right up to the order block, took the take profit to the local liquidity zone, which is this one, and gonna hop into the trade now. Alright, second trade, Euro USD again, of course. Basically what we had here, we saw that we basically came up to a very important liquidity zone, took that out right here. So I looked for short trades, of course, and when I scale down to the lower time frame, we also had an order block right here, which we might test on again, and we also did with this candle right here. So pushed into the order block, and then I basically waited for price to develop. So I waited for a breakout structure, which we got here, and saw my fair value gap right here into the 1-minute chart, and then I wanted to see price jump again. So price basically jumped again, tested the fair value gap, kind of, not actually, but I took my short trade. I think I entered right here, and took the stop loss above the recent liquidity, took a 1-to-2 ratio, I think, even, right, so, and this trade was a little bit complicated because it was a Friday evening trade, so market was about to close, but yeah, basically this is how the trade worked out. Might seem a little bit different in a sec, because I'm trying to just check how this trade was placed. I think I got it all wrong with the take profit and stop loss zone, but I'm gonna check that now and show you the trade. So that's it, basically moving up further. So it's been going pretty good. So that's it, basically moving up further. I'm excited for the next week. Excited for what's going to happen. Basically we saw that we had a big drawdown with those 4 trades lost, and I mean, you can kind of see like a chart pattern in here, to be honest. we moved down, had a fair value gap here, dipped into the fair value gap and pushed up. No, I'm just kidding. But basically it's been going pretty good. Made some good progress, also journaled my trades, which helped me a lot, and I can only recommend it to all of you guys. Journal your trades, not only your losses but also your wins, because most of the time when you're just new to trading and start to trade and you try to learn how to trade and you win, you just think you're him, right? You just think you're Jordan Belfort and you can do this over and over again. But you also have to journal those trades, because guess what, most of the time it was just luck, and you have to understand why your trade hit take profit. With that being said, thanks for the support, and hope you guys have a blessed day as always. And that's it for me. See you guys in the next video.